Hello everyone, I'm Bhumika. I'm with Khurana and Khurana Advocates and IP Attorneys, IP and Legal Filings. We've been doing series of videos on different topics. Today's topic being industrial design. So what exactly is an industrial design? What you call in layman language as a design patent or a design application. That is basically an industrial design application. So what comes under industrial design? Industrial design is anything which is visually or aesthetically different from the existing ones. Okay, for a simpler example, you have a water bottle. You have seen there are multi-brand water bottles available, maybe in plastic, in steel and other materials. But in design, what would be checked would be just how visually, that is in looks, it is different from the existing water bottle. Okay, so that is basically a design application. Design application is governed under the Design Act 2000, and the basic nitty-gritties associated with it would be that it should be novel, that is an original work which is not published. By meaning original or novel is a simpler term, it should not be in the public domain. Then secondly, it should be industrially applicable. Okay, and basically the process starts with the simple thing that you have to either have the drawings or the actual images of the product from all the sides, which are like front, back, top, bottom, in single embodiment. That you should always keep in mind, that the article should be seen in a single embodiment way. Once these drawings are prepared or the images are captured, it should be in a lighter background. You can proceed to file a design application along with it, which is done at the Design Office, Kolkata. So once a design application is filed at the Design Office, what happens is that they'll just be reviewing it, that what exactly is there in the public domain which is similar to your work. When they'll check it, if they're okay, if they don't find anything which is actually on a similar site, they would accept the application, will be published, and a certificate will be generated in some time. Whereas if they find that there is something which is already there, they might come back with an FER. The FER is basically the first examination report. It's an objection report from their side, that what you have filed is already existing in the public domain, or there are certain documentational errors, either could be in the objection report, which we have to respond back. If you respond back, they will again review it. If they're okay with everything, it is granted. If not, then sometimes a hearing is also scheduled. If the matter goes to hearing, then the person needs to attend the hearing, give the arguments, and then give the final submission. So this is the process, which usually on a smooth case, that is without objection, takes around 4 to 6 months. In case there are objection, then 3-4 months are additional. In case hearing happens, it is delayed by 1 to 2 years. So it's a simple process, 3-step process. We would always recommend, if you have something novel in hand which is aesthetically different from the existing designs, always file a design registration. You get a rights of 15 years on it, 10 years direct, and 5 years can be extended. Always keep in mind, always keep protecting your ideas. Do connect for more. Thank you.